Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to MetaTrader 5, the go-to platform for many traders worldwide. To truly start trading and access live market data, connecting your broker is the essential first step. It is a straightforward process, and we will guide you through each part. This connection lets you manage your trades and investments directly from the platform, opening up your trading journey. Once MetaTrader 5 is open, your journey to connecting with your broker begins by navigating to the top left corner of the application window. Here, you will find the File menu. Simply click on this option and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select Open an Account, and that will take you to the next step where you can search for your specific broker. After selecting Open an Account, a new window will appear, ready for you to input your broker's details. Find the search bar at the top and carefully type in the full name of your broker. As you type, a list of matching brokers will show up below. It is important to choose the exact one, paying close attention to the server name, as some brokers have several options. After selecting your broker, you will see options to either log into an existing trading account or open a new one. If you have an account already, just enter the login ID and password your broker gave you. For new users, you can choose to open a demo account for practice or a real live trading account. Then, simply follow the clear registration instructions to get started. Once you have entered all your details, click the Finish button to finalize the connection. To confirm everything is working, simply look at the bottom right corner of your MetaTrader 5 window. You should see a green connection status, often indicated by moving bars or active data flow. This means your broker is successfully linked, and you are now ready to begin exploring the markets and placing trades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.